y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's not been a long time since I posted, but you know, I just wanted to post. Things happened. So this is my baby sister. Lana, say hey. So we are going to be trying some snacks. We just got these off of Amazon and they're all different kinds of candy, which me personally, I have a sweet tooth. Just I love candy. And she also really likes candy, as y'all can tell. And so you're probably like, where did you even get, like, what do you think this is? This is from the UK. So, yeah. So we're just gonna get started and let's just open some. So how this is gonna go is I'm gonna pick one, then she's gonna pick one. So yeah, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so I think I really want to try. I'm not really sure, but I kind of want to try these fizzy with these. I'm really nervous. So she's gonna try. Okay, first, so she's gonna try one. Well, I'm gonna try one, then I'm gonna open it for her and let us try one.
I'm gonna open it.
So we're just gonna try these. These are I'll link this down. Well, I'll just try to probably put a link down below just to see what this is. Y'all get the same idea. But, so let's try it. Did you see? Did you? Oh my God, smell. I wish y'all could smell.
It would taste like chocolate. It just smelled like chocolate rather than that chocolate. Let me see.
Huh?
Come on, don't try it. It's not mine.
Here, you can try some too.
No, it's just me. Now open it. Now open it.
And it says it pops like really loud.
Pops.
So yeah. So what do you want to try? This?
Yes, I picked it one. Don't bite it.
So this is what it is, and it's like, you know those, what is a straw spoon?
It's not sour anymore.
It tastes really good. So you know, so you know those things, those, I don't remember what they're called, but you know those things, you know the little things where like they're in those little cans and they like these soda things where you open the thing, eat them? Tastes exactly just like that. So now it's time for me to try one. And I'm going to try the, so I think I don't know what these are, so I'm just going to try these super loud. Yeah, I'm not going to try these yet. These can be later. I'm going to try these Transformers tattoos inside. So we might do that at the end, but here you go. These are, oh, and they're candy sticks, so we'll try them. Okay, so it comes with 2 tattoos, and we might actually do this in the end of the video. So there's like this Transformer tattoo. So I might put it on her arm.
No, I don't want to put it on my own.
So now we're going to try one, so I'm going to try one. Just super scared. They're really hard, like. This is just like bubblegum. Oh.
Stop. It's my turn to pick.
Let's get started with the next one. It's her turn to pick. So she wants to try these Million apples. They're tiny taste chewy sweets. And if you couldn't hear what I said, it's it's these tiny tasty chewy sweets, which that's a really hard tongue twister thing.
I have my greens. I have my bad.
Oh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna let her. Here you go.
Thank you.
We're gonna like if she wants more.
I'm gonna start something. Oh no. No, that's me.
Here we go. It tastes like chewy candy. I love it.
Gums.
No,
you pick it. Here you go. See what I got?
So now we are going. No, it's my turn to pick. And I really want to go for these, but we already have these. So we are still gonna try these because these are Coca-Cola.
Pick that one. Pick that one.
I'm gonna pick.
Please. Hey, that's mine. Pick on yours.
If you want to hear more of my videos, then comment down below and leave a like.
And comment down below you like.
I want this video to 50 likes just because I'm not like on my like.
Why? Or slime?
Just
pizza.
because like I'm not always on my like thing, so I kind of want to get that. But in the next video, we might do a different one. I think I'm gonna go big that time.
Okay.
So make sure you like this subscribe. So I'm gonna be trying these super loud, and they're Coca-Cola flavored, which I've never had these, and these are the same exact things.
In my toothpick. In my
No, you have to pick these first. So now we're gonna try these. Here's one. Yeah. Open your mouth.
No. No. We're about to go up.
It's not good.
It's my turn to pick. Oh, these. But that one,
It's nasty.
that one.
I can't.
I can try these, but
Rather have strawberry. Okay.
I'm about to try because I can't pick something. I can't pick. What do I pick? I know.
So we are gonna try these.
It's pink and purple.
These are purples, and they're primary violets. I think that's what it's called. Not even sure. Oh, I never tried these.
You ever tried that before, Sissy?
My mouth is still popping. It probably got caught in my braces. That's why I still have it. So I'm gonna number one, just in case it's nasty.
Why does it taste like that?
It tastes like soap. Like straight up soap. Like.
Oh, no. Oh my God.
Anyways, the next thing that we're gonna be trying is I really want to try these, but I'm super scared. These are these refreshments. Yeah.
Now.
And this is original lemon flavored. So I've never had not the original. Oh my God, and they smell just like lemon. Oh my gosh, they smell just like lemon. Let's try them. Oh. This is not good for my braces. This is, if you're watching this, don't kill me.
Oh, I'll try
It's
these.
really not.
I tried these.
Right.
I'll be back.
It's like,
The
wow. I'm going so many flavors in my mouth. Like,
Candy. Pudding.
so if y'all wondering where we put these, we put them over here. I'm so sorry, all these are just on this. Now it's time for her to pick which one you're gonna try these. So she's been wanting to try as raspberry and milk flavored chewy lollipop.
Like that one.
Raspberry and milk does not go together. They are like, ugh, let's try. Oh, so we're not gonna eat that because it's way too hard for my teeth, and it almost jerked my teeth out. Hi y'all, welcome back to Michaela's Hour. So last time my camera died, so I didn't really get to do it. But we're gonna finish these snacks off, and I don't know who went first, so I'm just gonna let Lay do it because she's little. So which one do you want?
I think I'm two things.
So she's trying these. They're called Super Mix Minis, and they're really cool. And it actually says a lot of things like squishy, smooth, and soft. So let's just try it.
Whoa.
You want this one? Don't eat it yet. So there, I got the pink one, and it looks like a girl, I guess. That's what it is. And then she showed me this. That's what she looks like. These look super cool because they're like in different shapes.
Whoa.
Like when you get them in like another one, they're not different shapes.
Flower.
So let me.
I have milk.
Okay.
Milk. So. And people are good.
So I think I'm gonna try these mango stripes. And there's a little strawberry. I mean, no, I said strawberry. There's a little orange. I couldn't guess it. Let's try it. And it's white.
Oh, I thought
It doesn't really have any smell. Scared? That can break your teeth off.
Thank you. I'm just chewing mine. I can't.
It's just good.
No, those don't taste
It tastes like sour.
mine.
I taste sour and it tastes so good.
I think I want to try that one because I
This
can. Yes, it's my favorite.
So we're gonna try Black Jacks, that's what it's called.
Blackjack. So it's my
Next morning.
Oh, that's what it looks like. It looks so black.
What?
Yeah, you like it? So it tastes like licorice. It tastes like licorice, but I would still eat it, you know? Like, I don't know, I just would. It's just really good. So now it's my turn to try it.
Ew.
And I really, really want to go in with this strawberry. It looks super cool. And it's pink.
It's
I'm gonna buy it. I had good.
I think I'll try this.
That's
Hold
what.
down. This.
It's called Love Hearts. Too sour. So sour. I think she likes it because she likes sour stuff. I like sour stuff too, but way too sour. So the next thing we're gonna try is, I'm really gonna go into sucker, but I think I really, really want to try this, and my eyes been on this. It's called Joystick Socks. That's what it says. 6 songs, so like it has 2 X's.
Yeah. Go to pig.
Yeah, I don't know the
just try this.
It's like an off-white. Find it open. So I was just chewing, before we get into this, I was just chewing this other one, and they taste like soda, like they taste like the evaporation, like something really like evaporating. That's what it looks like. Sorry. It tastes good, but it just tastes like soap. So it is, I'm ready for Chewy's Extreme. So I'm thinking it's going to be sour because it is extreme. And also it is green because you can see from the package. Oh my god, it smells so good. Let's try it. Good. So like I said in my last little part of this video, I was going to, well, I said if y'all want her more of my videos, like if y'all want mukbangs or anything or any video suggestions, comment down below and I'll try to do it. So now what I really want to try is, these are really good, but I think I'm going to go with this like right now. My hands are super sticky. Almost, this is what it looks like. It's white and it's green. Taste.
I like cauliflower bun.
Tastes really good.
Yes.
So now it's her turn to pick. So what do you want to pick?
I think I'm a pig.
So So she wants to try these sizzling? I heard her say y'all. Which one do you want here? Oh my god, that hit me so hard. Like, I didn't even know it was gonna be that sour.
It's sour. How about you make sour?
So yeah. So at the end of the video, we'll be telling you we'll be saying what we liked. So we'll grab one thing and we'll tell you what we liked about it. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I want to try a fruit tellers, and they're like a strawberry crunch. That's good. So.
Smell like butter, I guess.
It tastes like strawberry milk. I think I'll just play it. I think. Yeah, just it. So now it's her turn. So what do you want? Oh, she's going for a fruity salad.
It's sour.
Is fruity salad even a thing? Like, put fruit in salad? So it is actually orange on one side and then pink. So I'm going to try both of them. It tastes like soap. So now we're going to be trying this Fruity Tella. That's what it's called. That's what the other one was called, so I'm hoping this one doesn't taste like soap.
Soap.
What does it taste like, soap? I don't know.
It's strawberry.
I don't like it. Yeah. So that's one that lay on our hat. Well, this is our last one, but yeah. And this is also the Chewy's Extreme. I'm hoping this one's not that sour. Oh, and just real quick, I'm gonna say something. We're actually trying to get on a schedule of when I'm gonna be posting. I don't know when this is gonna be uploaded, but I am gonna be posting something really cool that I think y'all are gonna definitely like. So if y'all want, like, I don't know what kind of schedule I wanted to do. So like, we're gonna figure out our schedule. But yes, and if y'all forgot, if you want her more in the videos, please just say LEI. So if you want her more in the videos, say LEI, and then I'll see how many people. So if y'all want her more in the videos, LEI. Bye.